This archival entry documents The Bureau and the Mole by David A. Vise, a 2002 hardcover book, first edition, first printing published by Atlantic Monthly Press. Featuring 269 numbered pages with its original dust jacket, priced at $25. This nonfiction work uncovers the chilling espionage of FBI agent Robert Hanssen, who spied for the Soviet Union and Russia for over 20 years. Written by Pulitzer Prize-winning journalist David A. Vise, it details Hanssen's double life, revealing compromised U.S. secrets and the devastating toll of his betrayal, drawn from family insights and FBI sources. Enhanced with a map and appendices, the book delivers a gripping narrative of deception and national security failures. Published in the wake of 9/11, it captures the early 2000s focus on intelligence vulnerabilities, resonating with Cold War-era intrigue and FBI history. Its first edition status adds value for collectors of true crime, espionage narratives, or political biographies, offering a window into a scandal that rocked the Bureau. For enthusiasts of gripping real-life spy stories or collectors chasing first printings, this book is a compelling piece of modern history, blending meticulous reporting with high-stakes drama. Check the description below for more details on this item. Please comment with questions, suggestions, clarifications, or to submit details that we haven't included for our next revision of this video. Join us for our next entry when we uncover another piece of history. Until then, like, share, and subscribe, and keep exploring our collection.